Having fun?
Yay!
Yeah, so here we are in our caravan. Hello, Hazel.
Go!
Me and Jez are having a bit of foe. We're up in North Yorkshire, near Wigglesworth.
Wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
And he wiggled away.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I found an apple. One bedroom, two bedroom, toilet, two toilet.
Wow. Check you out.
Very roomy. These wide open spaces. Jez is having a game of bat ball.
That's one hand.
Yes. Hey!
Oh.
A bow!
A bow. Catch.
Cat!
Oh.
Cat!
Mac. No. I might gave up.
No!
Hey! Found a bit dozy. Hey! Alright, we're heading up to the swimming pool now. This field that we're in is brand new. Looks like something from the end of E.T. Listen to the birds. It's the only thing you can hear, otherwise it's deadly silent. Just the odd sheep in the distance.
What?
Decent.
It's alright, isn't it? I love it. I love it, I do.
Boingy, 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 Well, that was absolutely fantastic. Had the place to ourselves for 45 minutes. Lovely and warm. I recommend it. Don't half feel cold when you come out of there though. Despite the sunshine. Alright, now while the girls do girl things like makeup and sleeping, the boys have come down to Gisburn Forest, a proper forest. And we're just gonna go and get ourselves lost, because time spent among trees is never wasted time. Wow, this is fantastic already. You may remember one of my earliest YouTube videos with Jan was up this neck of the woods, Trough of Bowland. And what we've actually done, because the place where we're camping is in North Yorkshire, we've just crossed back over into Lancashire here.
Can't see through it.
No, you can't, can you? Reminds me, and I always say this, of the forests of Poland, where literally you can't see through the trees. That is what you call a proper forest. It's so nice and soft and squishy underfoot. It's all this moss. Just got to watch out you don't get poked in the eyes coming through this bit. Wow. Mate, you could just literally come here, like you said, in the dark and camp. And no one would know you were here. Listen to the birds, Jez. Oh God. I've got all sticks down my top. This is magical. This is like something from Russia. Imagine a bit of Dostoevsky or some Tolstoy novel set here. People out picking mushrooms and the like. If ever you see a mushroom, Jez, that's red, did you just fall over? With white spots on it, don't eat it. Are you like me, Jez? When you come to places like this, your mind just runs away with itself. You imagine dinosaurs and... Feel the bench. And you just make up stories in your head.
Well, comfy.
Is it?
I think I'll sleep in here for a night.
Oh, mate. It's a bit wet, but yeah. Wow. Lovely and squishy. Do you know what this reminds me of? The love experts in... Is it Frozen? It's Frozen, isn't it?
Oh, little den in there, diggy.
Let's get in the den. The Jez is in the den. The Jez is in the den. E-I-A-D-O, the Jez is in the den. Someone's had a fire here. The Jez wants a wife. The 50p, mate. Happy days.
Make it on that little
Mate,
bench thing.
fantastic. Do you reckon people come and sleep here? They must do. Obviously, there's a fire being had.
I'd rather sleep in a little bench.
On that nice little mossy bench here.
Get out.
Dirty daddies. Let's take a walk towards the sunshine. Bit of a clearing here. You can see the felled logs. Let me just climb down them. What a fantastic place, mate. I'm glad we got out.
Right. So hot.
Yeah, what have you got there? Some sort of fungus. Anyone been watching The Last of Us? I cannot believe, spoiler alert, that Joel is dead. HBOS has only gone and done a Game of Thrones on us, haven't they? They get you to invest in a character and then they kill him off. What's that all about?
You can turn this into everything.
Might do.
Yeah. Then I can search on your computers saggy.
A quick shout out to you all. We've hit 1,125 subscribers now, so appreciate it. If we just try and keep on a similar elevation, it'll save us having to climb back up later. I love forests. My friend Louis used to just spend all his free time in the forest. He had bases that he built, des cabanes. In fact, when me and him used to go to the forest, we'd go to Caravan, the supermarket, we'd buy a fût de bière, go and have a fire, have a bit of food and have a beer. And we'd stay there till the sun went down and you could hear the wild boars in the forest around you. Right, looks like an official path here.
No.
And there's some sort of sign, what does it say? Red loop. Return to start.
No.
And hub via blue loop.
We don't need
Loops. Yeah. Can you imagine cycling through here? I think that's what this track is. Mate, let's not get hit by a bike. So where we're staying, Bowland Fell Holiday Park or something, it's actually in Wigglesworth. And I think more accident than design. You see, I heard the name Wigglesworth and it got me thinking. I thought, I know that name, why? No, it's my kids, great grandparents. It's on the mum's dad's side. Well, back in 1851, they were farmers of 80 acres of land in Wigglesworth at a place called Deepdale Head. Mad ancestry. He's gone back into the trees. Right, let's follow. Yes. Look over here, Jez. You can see it's dark again. Oof. That's getting me. Oh. You know, it's like going through, I don't know, some giant kaplunk things. I'm blind. Yeah, bud. Goodness me. A lot of this wood is very brittle. You literally touch it and it falls apart in your hand. Looks like we're back at the car park, pretty much. So we've done a quick, what, 20-minute loop there. But we are not satisfied. We want more. There you go, there's a map. At the Gisburn Forest Hub. You are here. Decent facilities. Alright, we're going to cross the road here and this ditch and go once more into the trees. Jesus Christ. Woo! Rubbish. Christ. And if you can hear, there's loads of bees. So I don't think Coral would be a big fan of this walk. It's random where you end up in it. Speak for myself. Always off on some random adventure. Trying to live life to the max when I'm not working. Let's get out and about. This forest feels more like, say, North America, where it seems more dry and it's more pine cones in comparison to the other side of the path. Aha! Let's follow the path for a minute. Look at the beautiful pine tree. Sticky things, aren't they?
You could just dig one up and...
Yeah, take it home for Christmas.
Probably could, you know.
Shh. Avec discrétion. What a place to come. Fantastic. I bet you get a fantastic view of the stars though. There'll be not much light pollution out here. Let me teach you some things. The Milky Way. Do you know why it's called the Milky Way? Because if you look up in the sky, you will just see a milky white band of stars. That's the plane of our galaxy across the sky. And galaxy is from the Greek word meaning milk. True story, that, bro. Wow, look, we've just...
Nice,
it's completely changed.
Want to go in first?
Dun, 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 dun. Ah! They're getting me. Oh my god, I'm walking through piles of broccoli, mate. Broccoli. Flies. Wow. Just totally, just running randomly here. This reminds me of the Geo Wizard guy on his straight line missions. Great spot here by the Gisburn. A balloon. Looks like a birthday balloon that's landed here. Maybe a helium balloon. Oh god, all the sticks in my hair. See people, this is why you shouldn't release helium balloons. Because look where they end up. Could choke a chicken, that. If you pardon the expression.
I feel let's just take bits out. It's like actual broccoli.
Wow, do you think you can eat that?
Not a good idea.
I love it. Even the spider's webs in the eyes.
Trying to stay a bit more back for you to get sleep.
Yeah, don't let me flick twigs in your face. Is that the path down here? Or is it just a clearing? It's that little brook again, yeah. Wow! Landscape's completely changed again. There we go. Oh my word, look at all this. Honestly. You alright lad, you not fell in, have you? No. Good lad. Right, I suggest we head back to the hotel, I was going to say, campsite, Caravan, get some chips and a pint in the pub and have a game of pool. How does that sound? £2.50 charge. Jez found 50p in the woods though, takes it down to £2. Happy days. Well, hello there. Honestly can't beat this. Look at the view. Sat home, a little book. My mate Colin said he stayed here 10 years ago, and him and his mate Tony met Tyson Fury, the Gypsy King. His mate helped his wife with some app, and well, Tyson Fury brought him over a crate of beer to their tent. Alright, time to go to the pub. I love your backpack. Who's this?
Where'd you
It's
get that one?
Bluey. Look, on Easter Sunday for her. Bluey. Feels like we're in America, doesn't it? But it's actually North Yorkshire. Some proper decent homes, these. You can see why some people would sell the home and then just come and live in one of these. Pub!
No.
Bend it to daddy.
The Crow Trees Inn. And do you know what? Them trees were full of crows, you could hear them cawing. Oh, classic British pub. Come on. Decent pub, bit roasted inside. 51 quid, we've got some food coming, we've got some drinks. Happy days. Nice little play area as well. Here they come. Whoa. Again? This is the one. You ready? Oh, whiplash. Wow, fantastic. Mac and cheese, looks more like a lasagna. Chili con carne. Chips. Going down well. All the cop cars, we thought it was kicking off, but they're just here to escort a rather large static home that's been moved down the country roads. And now another children's play area.
It's time for Daddy to see whether he can fit in a baby spring.
Of course they can. Of course they can. Never too old to be pushed by your dad.
It's actually sick. Hazel went. You want? Go.
Do you like it?
Headbutting. Be careful, James. You don't want that. Push yourself. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Nice catching still. Put your arm Come on, then, go, Dad.
Slaps her.
Yeah, you got some more cookies. Have you got them? Then Daddy throw them. Did you bring that much stuff? Like, yeah. Not doing this and I'm in training.
Good morning. Well, that was that then. We slept alright. The walls are paper thin, apparently I snore like a warthog. A random selection of breakfasts. Some have had cereal, some have had pho, pot noodle for myself.
Have you? When?
I've not had it yet. They don't call them sleeping policemen anymore, do they? It's not very PC, but when we were kids in the 80s, well, speed bumps were sleeping policemen. Who knew that in the shadow of Pendle Hill there was a village called Holden, my namesake? That's fantastic. Just a quick question for you all. Before we finish this video, I'm planning on doing a bit of a family history video. Would you be up for that? Let me know in the comments and we'll see you on the next one.